Hello student, we will continue exercise 3.3, sum number 2, sum number 3, first 3 parts we will do in this video. Chapter 3rd, pair of linear equations in 2 variable. Statement is on your screen. Sum number 2, solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. Hence, find the value of m for which y is equals to mx plus 3. First, we will find x and y from these two equations by using substitution method. Equation 1, that is equation number 2. Solve it. Express it in the term of y, 3x 3y right hand side में आ जाएगा. Then x is 11 minus 3y by 2. Now put this x in equation number 2. Put x in equation 2. आप x इक्वेशन 2 से ला करके फर्स्ट में भी पुट कर सकते हैं. ओके, 2 इंटू 11 माइनस 3y बाई 2 माइनस 4y equals to minus 24. 11 minus 3y minus 4y equals to minus 24. Solving 3y 4y makes 7y of minus minus plus, sign is of minus. Cancel. Here y is 35 by 7 makes 5. Now put this y equals to 5 in x. Put y in x. In place of y you will put 5 by 2. It makes minus 4 by 2 minus 2, because we know rule plus minus sign which is greater. Here 15 is greater than 11 and in front of 15 sign is of minus. Here x minus 2 y 5, but we have to find the value of m. See, it's a given. Put y 5, x minus 2 plus 3. Solve. 3 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आ जाएगा, माइनस का हो जाएगा. देन इट इज ऑफ minus 2m. 2 is equals to minus 2m. m, separate m, then it will m equals to minus 1. That is your required answer. In the question number 3, first we have to form the situation, then we will solve it by any algebraical method. The difference between two number is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. For situation you have to read the statement carefully always, and you should know meaning of every word, like difference, अंतर, between दो नंबर, between बीच में 2 numbers, 2 नंबर का is 26. 1 number is, एक नंबर है 3 times, 3 गुना द अदर नंबर दूसरे नंबर से. वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दीज 2 numbers. Let the 2 numbers xy, because equation chapter having pair of linear equations in 2 variable, so 2 variables are x and y. ATQ according to question. Difference, here two cases arises, but we take a single case. If x is greater than y, then equation is x minus y equals to 26, equation number 1. 1, here x is greater than, so that's why x is thrice of y. X is a thrice of y. Put x in equation number 1. 3y minus y equals to 26. Solving. Then y comes 13. Now y 13, then x is 3 into 13, 39. Hence the first number is 39 and the second number is 13, and we can justify our answer also. See, this y is 13, x is 39. 39 is thrice of 13. Means to say our question is perfect. Now the next. Next is part second. The longer of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. Supplementary, sum of two angle is 180 degree. Exceeds ज़्यादा. Let the two angles. Let the two angles x and y according to question. Supplementary angle means to say sum of two angle is 180 degree. Here I am taking x is larger. You can write here, let the larger angle x, smaller angle y also can take. Then x is means to say equal to exceeds ज़्यादा. How much? 18 degree by smaller. X is equals to y plus 18. Equation 1. Put this x in equation number 1. It is called substitution method. Put x in equation 1. Yes, put it. In place of x, y plus 18 plus y equals to 180. Y makes 2y. 18 goes to right hand side. Solving. Y is equals to 81. Put y in x. It will be 81 plus 18 makes 99. Hence, the first angle is 99 degree and the second one is 81 degree. If you are observing, see its difference is 18 degree. Answer. Next one. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. Let the cost of each bat. Cost of each bat is rupees x. Cost of each ball rupees y. according to question. How many bats? 7. Balls 6. Total cost rupees 3800. Later, how much bats? 3. Balls 5. Cost him rupees 1750. Equation number 1. Equation number 2. From first, I am going to express x in term of y. 6y कहाँ आ जाएगा? राइट हैंड साइड में. देन x is by 7. Now put x in equation number 2. Solving. In fraction, that's why you will take LCM. Minus 6y plus 6 3 is 18. Minus 18y plus 35 makes 17y. It will come right hand side. माइनस करेंगे आप like this. Then y comes 17 5s are 85, 50. Now put y 50 is equals to in x. Solving. Seven fives are that is 0 0. X is 500, y is 50, means to say cost of bat 500, cost of ball rupees 50. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling everyone.